In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you understand what is group link all about and how you can work with the group link option out here. We go ahead under the create drop down, click on group link, and it asks you to enter a group name. So I'm going to put as test underscore group link. And as you have all these options, this is a Facebook Messenger reference URL. Set password, you can set password, you can add a solo vendor, you can add pixel, add tags, you can use all the options given out here in case you need them. So we'll go ahead and we'll create the group link. Once we create the group link, remember we would need to go ahead and integrate this. So I come back to the dashboard, I click on group link. A group link has already been created and the group name has already been given. That is test group link that I had just mentioned out there. Now I would need to go to the Zapier. So I will click on my setting, go to Zapier integration, copy this invitation link, open a new window, paste it there. Then I would once again need to go ahead and accept invite and build a Zap. If not, you can directly, from the options you will get right on top out here to build a Zap. You can do that. If not, you can just click here, accept the invitation, then click on make a Zap. Once you click on make a Zap, it brings you to this particular page. Now it says choose app and event. Now the only difference that you need to do out here is you would need to select the Google Sheet. So I select that, and after that it asks you to choose trigger event. Now I will come and I will select new or updated spreadsheet row because I want the information to be updated in the spreadsheet. So I would click on that, then I would click on continue. Once I click on continue, it brings me to another section which says choose account. So I will go ahead and I would need to choose an account. So after I choose the account, it says spreadsheet required, worksheet required. Remember, if you do not fill in these information out here, it's not going to take you any further. So I will click on this, and then the sheet that I had created would be test underscore Chris. So I click on that, and it asks for the worksheet required. So I'm going to go ahead and search for the worksheet out here. And I'm going to go ahead and put the second option. Once I click on that, then it says trigger column. Now it can be any column, or if you go ahead and if you have selected any particular column. So I'm just going to go ahead with this long link because that is the column that I have. And I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, it asks me for test and review, test and continue. So I will click on test and continue. Now it's fetching, the Zapier is fetching all my details out here, whatever information I put in. In the meantime, I'm going to just go ahead and add some long URLs, long link out here. All right, here we go. So now that has been populated, it has, reviewed. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on link wizard, and I'm going to go ahead and add link wizard 1.0.0. Once I do that, it says choose action event. So I have to go ahead and I have to choose shorten link under group link. Once I click on that, I will continue. Once that happens, it says again, choose account. So I would need to continue out here. And I would need to choose this account and I will click on continue. Let's customize group link child. Click here. And this is test group link. That was the name that I had given out there. And it asks for redirection URL long link. So I would click on the plus and I would click on the link that I had provided out there and click on continue. Once I've done that, I can go ahead, test and continue. Now out here, it gives me a flash saying a test group link child was sent to the link wizard. So I will go ahead and I'll show that to you. You click on group link. And here, if you can see, the child link has been created. Now remember, the group link cannot be clicked, or you can't just go ahead and get that redirected, okay? Because it would not lead you anywhere. You can only edit, you can clone, or you can delete. However, if you click on this child link, yes, you can copy it, you can open a new tab, you can paste the child link out there, and it will redirect you to the long URL that you had mentioned out there. Remember, we did put the company's website, that is tier5.us, so it's going to redirect you to that particular link. So this is where you would need to create that. So what you can do, you can give multiple links out here. Like for example, you can give any long links. I'm going to go ahead and add a few more. Let's do Facebook. That will get shortened. Let's give one more. YouTube. Now, when we go back to our link wizard and click on group link, you can fill up all the long links that you want and it will fetch automatically. It might take some time, like 5 to 10 minutes, or it might even cross like 12 minutes. So it's going to take some time. And then all those links will be added under this child link as a shortened link. So this is all about group link. I would talk to you about different features in the upcoming video. Till then, thank you.